Imagine a world where you control devices with your mind, health is monitored through a simple wearable, and travel happens at lightning speed through vacuum tubes. These are not dreams, but the technologies of tomorrow. Get ready, because today, we're diving into 10 futuristic devices that are about to change the world. Welcome to GigaNova Tech, your hub for exploring the latest in cutting-edge innovations and tech breakthroughs that will shape our future. In today's video, we're unveiling the most revolutionary devices on the horizon, from brain-computer interfaces to self-healing materials, all designed to transform how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Let's dive into the future. It is anticipated that the future of technology will be filled with devices that have the potential to completely transform the way in which we live, work, and engage with the world around us. Whether it be cutting-edge health technology or cutting-edge artificial intelligence devices, these advancements are going to revolutionize everything. In this video, we will discuss 10 of the most innovative devices that are on the horizon. Number 10. Brain-Computer Interfaces, BCIs. Brain-computer interfaces, often known as BCIs, are known for their ability to facilitate direct communication between the brain and various external equipment. These technologies are being developed by companies such as Neuralink and Kernel, and they have the potential to enable a wide range of applications, including the treatment of neurological illnesses and the control of equipment by thinking. Impact. Brain-computer interfaces have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing novel treatments for illnesses such as epilepsy, paralysis, and depression. The use of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, enabling us to operate devices such as computers, cell phones, and smart homes with only our brains. Number 9. Augmented reality, AR glasses. What it is: augmented reality glasses are spectacles that superimpose digital information onto the real world. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that enhances real-world experiences by projecting data, images, or interactive features into your field of view. This is in contrast to virtual reality, VR, which provides a digital environment that is completely immersive. Because they provide information in real time and allow for hands-free interactions, augmented reality glasses have the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries, including education, gaming, healthcare, and retail. If you were to walk around a city and have directions or areas of interest pop up in front of you, or if you were to study surgical techniques with 3D guidelines right in front of your eyes, what would that be like? Number 8. Foldable and rollable displays. Specifically, the creation of foldable and rollable screens is made possible by the flexible organic light-emitting diode, OLED technology. The potential of this technology is demonstrated by innovative devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Fold and the LG Rollable concept phone. These devices include screens that can extend and retract, thereby providing a larger display in a more compact shape. Impact. Foldable and rollable screens will revolutionize the mobile phone, laptop, and tablet industries by making devices more portable while also delivering a larger display with the ability to be expanded as necessary. Additionally, this has the potential to revolutionize digital advertising, as rollable panels might be utilized in a variety of applications, ranging from wearable technology to massive public displays. Number 7. Smart contact lenses. The term smart contact lenses refers to contact lenses that contain microelectronics in order to give characteristics such as real-time health monitoring, vision correction, and augmented reality. The development of lenses that can project information directly into your eye in a manner analogous to a heads-up display is now being undertaken by companies such as Mojo Vision. Influence. Smart lenses have the potential to provide assistance to individuals who have vision impairments, monitor glucose levels for diabetics, and even provide immersive augmented reality experiences without the need for cumbersome glasses. It is possible that the way we consume and interact with digital content will alter as a result of the possibility of hands-free and discrete information displays. Number 6. AI-powered personal assistants. Although virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa have already become commonplace, the next generation of personal assistants driven by artificial intelligence will be significantly more intelligent, personalized, and proactive than their predecessors. These assistants will anticipate your wants, learn from your behavior, and carry out complex activities without the need for you to give them specific directions. Impact. Artificial intelligence assistants have the potential to revolutionize productivity by performing the functions of highly capable virtual secretaries. These assistants can handle everything from scheduling meetings to managing your accounts. With advancements in natural language processing and artificial intelligence learning, these assistants have the potential to become indispensable components of everyday life, simplifying chores in ways that were completely inconceivable in the past. We just scratched the surface with these incredible gadgets. But before we take a closer look at more innovations that are set to change the future, if you're finding this video interesting, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Now let's get back to discovering the future. Number 5. 3D printed homes. The technology of three-dimensional printing is making its way into the building sector, including the capability to print entire homes with large-scale printers that have been specifically built for this purpose. Companies such as Icon and Apis Core are at the forefront of this technology, which is enabling them to construct homes more quickly and at a lower cost than conventional methods. As a result of the huge reduction in both time and money required for building, 3D printed homes have the potential to alleviate housing shortages all over the world. The use of less materials and the ability to create individualized designs are two additional ways in which these dwellings are environmentally sustainable. In the future, it will be possible to print entire villages using materials that are environmentally friendly. Number 4. Wearable health monitors. Although wearable devices such as the Apple Watch and Fitbit have already made health tracking more mainstream, the next generation of wearables will take health monitoring to an all-new level. A wide range of physiological parameters, including blood oxygen levels, heart rhythms, hydration, and blood pressure, will be monitored in real time by these cutting-edge equipment. The impact of these devices is that they will enable users to monitor their health in a proactive manner, which may provide the ability to anticipate illnesses before they manifest. These wearables might even inform users of anomalous readings that require prompt medical treatment, which would make preventative healthcare more accessible. This would be made possible by artificial intelligence doing analysis of real-time data. Number 3. Hyperloop pods. The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that is currently under consideration. Its purpose is to carry pods via tubes that are vacuum-sealed at speeds that are greater than 700 miles per hour. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop are making tremendous headway towards making this futuristic mode of transportation a reality, despite the fact that it is still in the process of being developed. The Hyperloop technology has the potential to cause a revolution in long-distance travel by significantly reducing the amount of time spent commuting between cities. If it were possible to travel between Los Angeles and San Francisco in less than 30 minutes, it would revolutionize not only the business world, but also tourism and commutes on a daily basis. Number 2. Self-healing materials. Materials that are capable of self-healing have the ability to repair themselves when they are damaged, similar to the way that human skin does itself. In order to reduce the need for repairs or replacements, these materials are being included into a wide variety of products, ranging from the paint on automobiles to the displays on smartphones. The lifespan of consumer gadgets, autos, and even infrastructure could be extended by the use of materials that have the ability to heal themselves. For example, roads and bridges constructed from materials that have the ability to heal themselves might automatically mend cracks and other defects, thereby lowering the cost of maintenance and increasing the level of safety. Number 1. Quantum computing devices. Quantum computing is a technique that utilizes the fundamentals of quantum physics to carry out computations that are significantly more complex than those that can be accomplished by classical computers. IBM, Google, and Intel are among the companies that are leading the charge in the development of quantum computers, which are capable of solving complicated problems at a rate that is tenfold faster than that of today's supercomputers. Quantum computers have the potential to bring about substantial changes in a variety of sectors, including encryption, health, artificial intelligence, and climate modeling. These gadgets will be able to recreate molecular interactions for the sake of drug discovery, break complex encryption techniques, and analyze massive databases, which has the potential to disrupt businesses across the board. There will be a plethora of technological advancements in the future that will bring about significant changes in the way we live, work, and engage with the world. The following decade will be shaped by these developments, which range from health technology that has the potential to save lives to transportation technologies that are revolutionary. The continued development of these technologies will result in the creation of new opportunities and the redefining of what is within the realm of possibility in every aspect of life. If you're excited about the future of tech, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to GigaNova Tech. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs and innovations. See you in the next video.